These Mopars are ranked by the quickest quarter-mile times recorded in road tests when they were new. So let's go check them out. The fifth fastest Mopar recorded in 1970 was a Plymouth Cuda, which had a 446 barrel automatic transmission and 410 gears. The 446 barrel was rated at 390 horsepower at 4,700 RPM and 490 foot-pounds of torque at 3,200 RPM. In May of 1970, Popular Hot Rodding compared a 446 barrel Cuda with the Challenger RT with the 446 pack. The Plymouth ran a better time. Its best was 13:56 at 106.5 miles per hour. The fourth fastest Mopar recorded in 1970 was a Plymouth Roadrunner, which had the 446 barrel and automatic transmission and 410 gears in the rear. In May 1970, Hot Rod Magazine had the famous Ronnie Sachs road test 6 different Plymouths. The Roadrunner's best time was a 13:47 at 105.1 miles per hour. Ronnie Sachs ran it 10 times with an overall average of 13.61. The third fastest Mopar recorded in 1970 was a Plymouth Cuda convertible with the 426 Hemi, an automatic transmission, and 410s. The Street Hemi was rated at 425 horsepower at 5,000 RPM and 490 foot-pounds of torque at 4,000 RPM. In May 1970, High Performance Cars magazine tested the Hemi Cuda against a 6-pack car and said the Hemi took it by a few car lengths. The driver said to help prevent wheel spin, they drove the car off the line at near idle speeds and then nailed the gas pedal. That strategy seemed to be a recurrent theme throughout many magazine tests to try and prevent wheel spin. The Hemi's best time for the day was a 13:40 at 105.1 miles per hour. The second fastest Mopar recorded in 1970 was a Plymouth Roadrunner. It had the 426 Hemi, an automatic transmission, and 410 gears. In December of 1969, Super Stock and Drag Illustrated magazine was given 2 cars, the Hemi Roadrunner and a 6-barrel Roadrunner. To achieve the best time with the Hemi, they lowered the air pressure to 32 pounds, installed new spark plugs, and removed the air filter. The Hemi ran a best time of 13:34 at 107.52 miles per hour. In case you're curious, it ran 3/10 faster than the 6-barrel. The quickest Mopar recorded for 1970 was a Plymouth Cuda with a 426 Hemi. It had a 4-speed and 354 gears. Carcraft magazine was the one who road tested the car and recorded a best time of 13:10 at 107 miles per hour. Check out more of my Mopar videos here. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.